Madison reading the book All by Myself. Okay.
Hi, Morgan.
She's reading us a story.
I can get on my bed all by myself. I can unbutton my buttons. I can brush my fur. I can put my socks on. I can tie my shoes. I can give my sister some orange juice and feed her breakfast. I can pull out a baby duck for my sister. I can ride my bike. I can give my bear a drink. I can drive my truck.
Shh, Kenzie, Sissy's reading to us.
I can hammer with my hammer. I can blow my sail. I can roll it on the ground. I can run after my baby sister. I can help Dad trim a bush. I can help Mom make a cake. I can look at a mouse. I can draw a picture. I can get into my pajamas. And on the page, I can brush my teeth, get in my bed by myself. But now give me bedtime stuff.
Aw, good reading! Yay! Say yay, Kenzie. Kenzie, say yay.
Okay,
What kind of clap is that? There we go. Kenzie, look at Mama. Kenzie. Kenz.
Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
Whoa,
That's
silly.
what I like to hear.